I'll be dry by tomorrow. Ano yun? I'll be dry. I'll be dry by tomorrow. Ano yun ulit? Bukas ka magsasampay. Ang galing ng translation. Naglaban na ako kasi may kasama ako dito sa bahay. Panggabi siya. Yung bilas ko, bukas siya maglalaba. Panggabi siya ngayon. Bukas siya maglalaba kaya naglaban na ako ngayong araw. May ampun na ako dito. But naka-translation. Tingnan mo yung translation. To all, someone is missing. Tapos, I'll be dry by tomorrow. Sinong missing? Nak, ang lakas ata ng apoy mo. Ron, tapos ka na? Tapos na? Ang lakas yata ng apoy mo. Okay na yan. Nag-aaral magluto yung panganay. Okay na yan, basta makakain. Nay! From ano? From compete. Nag-update lang. Ang grabe, 3 days lang ako walang wifi. Bagsak na bagsak yung aking ano eh. Aking watch hour. Kawawa. Nagawa ako ng laba kasi bukas. Nagawa naman akong ice candy. Marami-rami yun. Kita niyo pa ba ako? Dito ako sa loob nagsampay kasi parang ulan. Ito kilig-kilig ko. Nakinaan mo lang yung apoy mo. Yan, mag-aral ka na magluto. Kumain ka na. Okay na po! Ha? Patitignan ko pa. Kainin mo na. Kailangan ko pang tignan. I hope yes. Bye now. Tapos ka na kumain ba?
You got chased. Small Junior, not safe.
Nag-inom ka ng tubig, JM. JM, nag-inom ka tubig?
probiotics help protect against toxins.
Inom ka ng tubig?
Antibodies and strengthen
Busog ka na? Hindi ka pa busog? Ba't hindi ka busog? Ha? Pinapak mo lang yung chicken mo? Ha, be? Be? Ay, naku. Kaya pala hindi ka busog.
Wait, that chicken.
Kaya nga, pinapak mo lang yung chicken mo. Kaya hindi ka busog. Ha? What did you do? Didn't you wash your clothes? Hindi, Nay. Busy sa school, Nay. Nagtinda ako. Tapos pag ano, na-idlip ako kasi. Pag ano, na-idlip ako kasi ang aga ko gumigising. 4 a.m. Tapos kagabi, gagawa sana ako ice candy, sabi ni Jowa, wag na kasi Sabado naman bukas. Magpahinga daw ako. Magpahinga. Sama kasi ng pakiramdam ko kahapon. Weeklyhan ako maglaban na, hindi ako naglalaban ng ano. Kaunti lang naman. Mula dyan. Diba? Kaunti lang. Kaunti lang naman to. Bagal lang talaga ako maglaba. Sa uniform ako natatagalan kasi kinakamay ko lahat eh. Weeklyhan ako maglabanay kasi feeling ko pag ganon, pag tambak ang labahin, mas nakakatipid ako sa tubig. Akong hangers. Konti lang nilabang ko, marami pa ako tirang hanger. Minsan kaya, kinukulang pa yung hanger ko, napakadami nito. Ilang minutes na ako. End ako. Dugo na ilong ko, Nay. Dugo na ilong ko, Nay. Baka biglang umulan, makulimlim ang parting niya. Diba, may tira pa akong hanger. Ibig sabihin, kaunti lang nilabhan ko. Bagal lang talaga ako maglaba. Lalo pag puti. Saan ang mga medyas? Wala na. Ay, shoes na. Dito ng katulong. Ang pagod maging katulong na eh. Ay, naka. Wala na ang iba. Pa. Ay! JM! Pa! Uy! JM! Ay! Toy! Toy! Thank you sa 8 million viewers. Ay, 5 million viewers. Update lang. Maganda ako.
Oh Lord, I have worshipped you all my life. I trusted you. Why didn't you come to save me? Then suddenly, a voice answered him. My child, I tried to save you 3 times. I came as the man who warned you. I came as the boat, and I came as the helicopter. But each time, you refused my help. Tell me, how else should I have come? Because sometimes the help we pray for does not come as a miracle. It comes as an opportunity. And if we ignore it, we may miss the very answer we were waiting for. Flood entered the village. People screamed, running for safety. In the chaos, one man suddenly remembered if you drop gum onto the carpet,
Dropping gum on the floor.
and try to pull it out while it's still warm, it'll only get twisted into the fibers.
I'm gonna try to pull it out while it's still warm. Oh yeah, that's stuck in there.
This makes it harder and harder to remove.
But it's too late. Hold on.
Instead, smear a bag of ice cubes all over the top.
There it is. Take it on.
The cold temperature hardens the rubber inside, which makes it less sticky.
I wonder if it's hardened. Oh yeah, it's definitely less sticky.
Then scrape it off with a spoon.
What did you do to my carpet? It's gonna be impossible to get out.
What's impossible is life is not at the same time.
Really?
Yeah, try it out. Oh, watch this. I'm gonna take it out with a spoon. I'm just gonna scrape it out with a spoon. It's gonna come right out. Boom! Got it.
You did it.
And clean the spot with detergent and water to make it look like the gum was never there.
Now I'm gonna scrub it out. Take that last little bit. It was like it was still there.
You're so lucky it worked.
You drop gum onto the carpet.
Good evening, Toy na. Kaya, makikita niya yung size ng bra ko. Kita niya yung mga punit-punit ko ng bra.
In this video, Steve goes crazy and breaks all his bones. Alright, Steve, I'm gonna need you to calm down. Steve, you can't break that. I bet you won't survive this. Oh my goodness. Oh my! Bro, can we just break his legs? That's not gonna work. Dang! Oh my, relax, Steve. He's shooting the bedrock. The chicken? Oh my!
Oh my.
Creeper! Oh my!
Bra.
Steve, stop!
Wala na.
Oh my! Bro,
Oh my God.
Steve. Nah, bro. Steve. My hand kinda hurts.
Nag-live wala din mo na, Emik.
This video, Steve goes crazy and breaks.
Thank you, Nay. Thank you sa pagtambay. Wala ako mag-update ng mag-update. Sobrang binagsak mo aking ano, guys. Sobrang binaba ng aking watch hour. Gawa sana ako ice candy ngayon pero hindi ko na kaya. I'm so tired. Bukas na lang. Ah! Ay! Ay! Pagod. Wala nang sikitan. Na. Ay.
Yung mama?
Antok. Ha? Ha?
Yung mama?
Opo. Ay, 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 ay. Thank you for million viewers. Ay, sis Alona. Thank you sa pagsilip. Add as a moderator. Thank you, sis. Stand up. Ayan. Salamat po sa inyong lahat dyan. Ukay, bili na kayong ukay. Hello! Sino yan? Hindi ko makita. Thank you, 10 million viewers. Kailan na ako? Ay, malapit ako mag-end. White pa mine. 3 years nang gamit. Sino may gusto? Ito, 1 month gamit. Sino may gusto? Pamain, pamain. Ay, pagod.
Sita.
No, baby. Bonus bet. Wait, what? No, baby. Bonus bet.
Ano na, tapos na. Next naman ay yung tupiin. Ay, ay, ay. 30 minutes na ako mag-end na ako. Miss Gigi! It will rain with the storm. Bakit naka-English to? Eh, naka-ano naman to ah. Naka-off naman yung auto translation. Mga Englishera na kayo? Thank you sa maraming thumbs up. Music lovers, Sis Gigi. Nay, thank you. Tutoy, Sis Alona. Mag-end na ako, Nay. Mag-end na ako, maliligo na ako. Why? Why? Why, oh why? Naka-English dito lahat o kahit naka-off yung ano, auto-translation.
Rushes out. It quickly runs to the girl's window and sees the monster still sucking her life force. If this continues, the girl will be in danger.
It will rain with the storm.
Fireplace chimney.
I have, nene.
Pulls out a dagger.
Ay, ne. Why? Round and round. Round and round na. Bye-bye na. Thank you, thank you. Maliligo na ako para makapagpahinga na. Salamat, Nay. Thank you, Sis Gigi. Kulit, salamat. Mag-live na kayo. Pwede na ako mag-support. May wifi na ako. Bye! Thank you.